To customize home screen style in Honor 600 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to select home screen and style, and then you can click on the customize button right here. That way we'll be able to adjust our style. First thing that you can do is change wallpaper. You can pair it with the lock screen. That way you'll get the same image as you have on the lock screen. You can also put one colored background, and you can also select the image option, which allows you to just select a photo from the gallery. And for some of them you can also enable blur and then blur the photos as well, or disable them if you want. Next thing that you can do here is click on icon style, which allows you to customize icon style with different styles and also different sizes, and you can change how rounded the icons should be. But keep in mind that some of those options below may be locked down based on the icon styles that you've selected. There's also option to hide app names if you want, and then we have the layout. You can switch between minimalist layout that you can also edit right here, or you can go for the categorized one as well. In history layout, you'll be able to check which layouts you had previously selected. In change effect, you'll be able to switch between different animations for the swipes on your home screen. So for example, we can go for something like rotate, and then we can go back and click on done to apply the settings that we've just adjusted. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.